So today we'll be taking off and replacing the fuel pump on a 2 1/4 petrol. First things first, we gotta clamp off the lines. Second, we take off the lines completely, and then third, we take off the pump. Because of the vice grips, it's like falling down. Do I go over here or do I go further down?
Just put it on the hose. And then once you pull the hose off, just pull it up this way. Okay. Just set it where it's out of the way. There's the hose.
Okay. The other one back there is different, right?
Yeah, you'll need this to get to it.
Okay. Oh, this is fun. That's actually not that bad, never mind.
Once it's loose enough to go down, you can just push it down the line.
Okay. Might loosen it up a little bit more. Just like a hair. Seriously. Man.
The joys of working on an old Rover, right?
That's what they tell me. Okay. The line fell. I took it off.
Okay. So now you can...
Fit this one first, I think that'd be easier, right?
I would when you take the nut off, just do it like, don't take it all the way off just yet.
Yeah. Okay.
And then get the back one.
Okay.
After that.
Feel like hand loose.
It may be.
Holy cow. It is.
Yeah.
That's kind of funny.
Well, good. Maybe the other one won't be locked on either.
Yeah. I'm about to say that'd be much easier to do with my hand than it would be the tool, you know?
Yeah.
Probably anyways. Okay.
Can you reach the one in the back?
I can. Just testing the stability of the ring. Oh god. Seems fun.
Yeah.
Maybe if I did it from the bottom. Think that'd be easier?
Probably not. Move your chair over.
So for the new one that you got, this would also come with a new bowl and everything.
It's supposed to come with a new flow bowl.
Okay.
Is it hand loose too?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Just put this on. Try this by hand.
Thing is, I don't even know if I'm really getting to it. No. I don't want it. I don't think I was even on it before. I think that was my problem. dude, seriously. Okay.
There you go. Just don't let it drop.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead and take
The
that.
other one isn't off.
Yeah, go ahead and take that one all the way off, and then you can hold
As
it.
I let go of it.
You can go ahead and take that one all the way off. It's gonna have a lock washer on it.
Okay.
So get the nut and the lock washer.
Do you think the new one won't come with it?
Probably not. And I don't really feel like climbing underneath the truck to find it. So.
Okay. That's fair. Can you get that?
There should be a washer on there.
I know, I see it, or I feel it. I don't see it because it's like in the dungeons of whatever, but. And it's like, what the hell? Why is it not? There we go.
Got it?
Ding, ding, ding.
Good job.
Okay. Why is oil coming out of it? Like from the side. Oil oil dripped on the ground, Daddy.
Yeah,
Why
that's
did it?
fine.
Why did it do that though?
Because it's a mechanical pump.
I was just asking. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You said this is the original one?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
There you go.
Uh-huh. God.
Good job.
Yeah. Man, this is like pristine. Look at the red plastic parts.
Yep, looks good.
Beep, beep, beep.
If you can just get the front one on,
Yeah.
just that way to hold it on there, and then you can put the back on there.
Okay. Assuming you're not gonna have our dialogue in this thing. So I'm assuming not all of our dialogue is gonna be in it.
Yeah, probably most of it.
Okay, well that's fun.
There you go.
You okay?
Some wasp come land on my arm.
Oh, that's fun.
Mm-hmm.
Man, it's like a puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
It's always something.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tighten the other one first, a little bit more.
Do you want to tighten this?
Yeah. I need it to kind of stay still.
So we moved the fuel line, hard line over, both of them over from the old pump to the new pump. And he's putting the pump back, new pump in now.
Okay, I got it on there. It's always something.
Always something. That's why we can't have nice things.
Uh-huh, exactly. This guy knows ball. Here we go. Okay.
This is on a 74 lightweight, by the way. For those new to the Rover world, it's a Land Rover lightweight. Probably have to hold it to keep it from.
Man. We can just throw those things away, right?
Yeah. You can sit on it.
It's fine. As I drop that.
I got it.
Okay. Is it moving?
Listen for the clicks.
I know.
There you go. Good job.
Yeah, I'll like hold it up. It's always something.
Always something.
Is that important? That went
Yes.
there, right?
It's fine. We can put it back in there later.
Is that important? That's probably important. I'm having to ask that. That's probably important. Oh, God.
It won't start without it, but yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. Who needs a coal?
Is that the oh? Is that the starter?
No.
No.
Coal.
No. Well, yeah, right. The starter's down there, or on the other side. But
Coal.
yeah, I heard you.
Oh.
I'm just thinking. We can always use one of those. What's it that you put in the front and you?
Hand cranks?
Yeah, hand
Yeah,
cranks.
that's what we need. We need a hand crank.
Yeah, exactly. That's efficient and not time consuming.
Your
Yeah.
arm's in the way of me videoing.
Can't do anything.
I'm just joking. They make it easy to get to.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, it's better than these new trucks though, where you can't fit anything in there.
Yeah. At least I can fit my arm down in this one. All right.
Yeah.
And then we need to take all their plastic covers off.
So after you get the front one on there,
Yeah.
you can go ahead and connect that back one.
I already did.
You already got it
I
on?
already got the front one on there. Yeah.
Okay, good.
What? Yeah, that might be helpful.
It's so hard to see from right there. There we go.
Come on.
That back fuel line's always.
Always hilarious. Like triple extenders. And the wrong like tool. It's just whatever.
Just make sure it's taut. We don't be leaking fuel.
Oh no. How tight?
Like, just it feels tight.
Okay.
Does it feel like it's like feel the clamp itself? Is it
No,
moving?
I need it. Yeah, it's moving. Hold on.
Okay, then it's not.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Did you hear any good jokes at school today?
No. Not really.
Did you learn anything?
Let's see.
Are you done?
Yeah.
You got it on there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hit that and see if we can pump. Oh, wait a minute. All right, hit the pump. Let's see if we can get some fuel going.
There it is. Already feeling the bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See the bowl filling?
All look at that precious fuel. Looks good.
Yeah.
All right, you see any leaks anywhere?
No, I don't see it leaking.
Or the back hose or anything down through there? Or feel it on the bottom of the float bowl, see if there's any on the bottom. Make sure it's...
No, I don't see anything.
It's tight, right?
It's very tight.
Okay, good. All right, I don't see any leaks right here. And it's coming up through the thing good.
There it is.
Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get it cranked. All right, give it a shot. All right. Fuel pump in. All good. No leaks. Found out we need to coil. But yeah. All right. One job done.